Hi guys, I'm Stacy
and Stephanie. Today we are making tteok,
which is milk rice cake.
With this simple 5 ingredients we can make tteok.
Yes, I actually saw this on TV program called Fun-Staurant yesterday, and it was so easy, so I decided to make it today.
So yeah, it sounds very fun. So should we start making it?
Yeah.
So let's begin.
So here's the ingredient: glutinous rice flour, potato starch, sugar, milk, and salt. This is it, very simple. First, get the pan ready and mix all the powder. Mix them well so it all blends well. Today's ingredient is all light. Now let's pour milk. We use the whole pack of milk. And let's cook it on very low heat, just like this. Now you need to be very patient. Keep stirring and stirring to prevent sticking. It's almost done. Look at the texture, it's almost rice cake. So stir it until it looks like this. Bring a big pan or plate and oil spray them so it doesn't stick. Move the batter over the pan. And spread it. Now you need to keep in the fridge for about 30 minutes to an hour so it firms. Yay! Our rice cake is ready. Top it your favorite powder. I use Oreo powder because I love Oreo. You can use any powder like strawberry, green tea, or chocolate. Yay, all done. Now it's time to cut. You'll have a hard time cutting it because it's sticky, but you can do it. Cut them into bite-sized pieces. It smelled so good, so I had to try it right away. Love the texture, it's like slime. So, it's time to eat.
잘 먹겠습니다.
Yummy. It's very soft. And I love the flavor of the milk. So good. I think you can put chocolate milk or strawberry milk or anything you like.
We are very surprised we can make tteok with this simple ingredient so easy. It's a great gift idea, so if you like rice cake, try making it. It's very fun to make, so I highly recommend. I hope you enjoy watching our video today, and as always, we'll come back with even better recipe next week. Thank you for watching.